Hello guys, welcome back. This is my third day in Tbilisi and I am here to have a boat ride experience at the Kura River. This Kura River starts from the Caucasus Mountains from Turkey and it flows through Georgia and it reaches until Azerbaijan. So this river is called as Kura River and I am here to share this experience with you guys. So let's do it. To experience the cable car in Tbilisi, where we can explore the entire city through the top view of it.
ये पत्तों इंग्लिस्तान सिर्फ फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तान मेरा जूता ही जापान ये पत्तों इंग्लिस्तान सिर्फ फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तान Hindustani, Hindustani, friend, I love India, Georgian Khachapuri.
Thank you. Also, this is called as Bridge of Peace, which is located just above the Kura River. You can see there is a city that side where the cars are moving around. The beauty of this Kura River is this river flows in between the city.
Very good. Stop. Very good.
This is our national bird of India, and I am proud of holding this bird in Georgia. He is our friend.
Hello.
From Georgia, and it's I am holding this bird, and I am also scared. Thank you so much. This is Khachapuri. This is how the Khachapuri is prepared. This is the local cuisine of Georgia. Cheese?
That's cheese.
Mixed with the cheese and the egg yolk. Thank you. I am here to try this Georgian cuisine called as Khachapuri, which is very famous over here. This is made out of cheese, milk and egg along with the butter, and this is the bread which they call it as puri. Good. The taste of cheese, milk and egg together. It's really nice. So whenever you guys try to come to Georgia, never miss this. It's a must try, so don't miss this. This is called as Khachapuri, which is very famous in Georgia. Thank you.